Okay, so when the guys installed the unit, um, it was pretty quiet until this morning. Well, just before noon actually. I turned it on manually because this is a manual thing, right? And when I did, I noticed that there was a noise coming from the unit that I didn't hear this couple of days. It's been raining a little, not so much, but I understand that's not a problem. It's supposed to work in this weather conditions, right? So I'm gonna turn it on and see what happens. Think the burner's gonna fire up anytime. Yeah, there's the burner. So like that is how it's been this couple of days again since they installed it on Friday. So now it's starting to make a noise. I thought when it was starting to get the water flowing, but I kept it like this for at least today for at least half an hour, and it's something that I didn't hear before. That's the main reason, and the pump is running, right? So just gonna go towards the pump just to make sure it's running. I can see the water anyway, it's moving, so it's supposed to be flowing. Maybe I'm being overly cautious with this thing, but it's new. Not really much experience with this water heater stuff, so yeah, the pump is running. So again, just see if why this couple of days was pretty quiet, and now we have this noise.